In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Google Merchant Center. Linking these two tools lets data flow securely between them so you can unlock richer reporting, better product insights, and more informed decisions. Before we start, make sure you're using Google Analytics 4 and that your Google account has the right permissions in both Analytics and Merchant Center. You'll want admin access on the Analytics property you're linking and admin access in the Merchant Center account you plan to connect. Also confirm you're in the correct Analytics account and property to avoid linking the wrong one. Begin by heading to analytics.google.com and signing in. Once you're in, glance at the top to confirm the correct account and property are selected. This matters because the link you create is specific to the property you're currently viewing. From here, look to the bottom left corner and open the admin area, which is the gear icon. The admin screen is where you manage integrations. In the property column, find product links. This is where Google centralizes connections between Analytics and other Google products. Open the product links section, then choose Merchant Center links. This takes you to the dedicated page for connecting your Merchant Center account to the current Analytics property. You'll see any existing links here, along with controls to add a new one. Click the link button to start the setup flow. This launches a brief wizard that guides you through selecting and approving the connection. Next, choose the Merchant Center account you want to connect by clicking Choose Accounts. You should see any Merchant Center accounts your Google login can access. If you don't see the one you expect, double-check that your current Google account has admin access in that Merchant Center and that you're in the right Analytics property. Select the correct Merchant Center account from the list. Take a moment to verify the account name and ID so you don't accidentally link to a different account, especially if you manage multiple stores or sub-accounts. When you're confident it's the right one, proceed to confirm. Finish by clicking Confirm. Analytics will create the link and return you to the Merchant Center links page, where you can see the new connection and its status. It may take some time for data to begin flowing, so don't worry if reports don't update immediately. You can return to the same page anytime to review, edit, or remove the link if your setup changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics to Google Merchant Center, setting yourself up for clearer insights and smarter optimization.